a lot.
I'm Major Pain.
Are you hungry?
Major.
He can't hear you. You gotta snap your neck.
Major.
Major.
He sees shadows.
Are you hungry, baby? Are you hungry, baby girl?
Who's this? Who's this?
Give him a kiss.
This is Dad?
Give him a kiss.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Too early in the morning.
Give him a kiss.
Oh.
Give him a kiss.
This is James's baby, Major. You haven't been around James's baby, have you?
Zeus loves her.
He does.
Does he?
Yeah.
Really?
He's protective with her.
And he's very gentle. Like, he'll get really spastic and kind of excited about us, but when she's around, he's very, like, gentle and careful.
Wow, baby girl. Wow, mama. Are you hungry, baby girl? Huh? When we have Maya here, we make a bacon and eggs, and spam and eggs.
You want oatmeal?